Description: EltaMD Skin Recovery Serum, powered by proprietary AAC Technology, helps to repair damaged skin, calm skin and helps to minimize the risk of irritation. Enriched with antioxidants to help defend against free radical damage. Benefits: EltaMD Skin Recovery Serum helps to repair damaged skin, calm skin and helps to minimize the risk of irritation. Suggested use: use fingertips to gently apply over the face and neck after cleansing and toning skin, morning and evening. Top reviews from the United States. Proven not causing comedo acne to my sensitive to acne skin. M42, HV sensitive skin prone to acne, been using doctor prescription cream so far, and caused dryness recently, because none of skincare out there IHV tried had not caused acne or comedogenic. I first read EltaMD sunscreen for its non-comedogenic and free of many chemical ingredients plus FDA approved, and decided to try as doctor here would not suggest sun protector. I work in office and had acne problem anyway, he said. No acne after applying the sunscreen for months, now been trying the serum as well, and after 3 months my skin looks more glowing and healthy. I add the PM therapy in my skin routine, and happy to see the result. No comedo, acne, bright glowing skin, moisturized skin.